we've worked with some other consultants and kind of had a successful practice and had been busy and had looked at different consultants and got something out of each of them, but I still never felt like we were getting what we wanted. The solution was always the same. Well, just produce more, just produce more, just produce more. And I didn't want to produce more. I wanted to live differently. I wanted to enjoy my family. I wanted to be able to be home with my kids. I have a wife and 2 teenage daughters now, and I wanted to be able to go to their track meets and go to their volleyball games and do stuff. And like I said, we looked at these others, and I talked to Bill, and that was more, I felt like his vision was to help me develop my vision and then achieve that vision. And so we sat down, we had the summit, we worked with him, we put together what Michelle and I and my family wanted, and then the practice, the team then picked that up and went with it. The way that working with Blatchford has affected us, we're already busy, but we were able to take that busyness and compress it into less days. We were able to take, for the first time in my career, more than 1 week off a year, which was fantastic. If I was in the office, I was working. If I wasn't in the office, I wasn't in the office, and that was nice. It had the team taking more responsibility and more of an ownership in the practice, which is what I was really looking forward to get a little of the heavy lifting off of me and to put it onto the team members. That came very into focus over Christmas. I was in Belize and had a stroke. And the team was so well trained and they were so well on the same page. They picked it up, they ran with it. We found a fill-in doc who filled in at the office for about a month and a half, and I didn't have to worry about it. I didn't have to think about it. I didn't have to think about the practice. I didn't have to think about, can I pay for our house? Can I send my kids to college? Can I take care of my patients? Can I take care of my team? Because they were trained. All of us had the same vision. We were all on key. We knew what we were doing. And they just took it over and they ran with it. And even the doctor who came in and filled in, he said this was the easiest practice I've ever worked in because I didn't have to do anything but the dentistry. They've got it. That to me is how it's affected us. We were already successful. We were already doing what we wanted to do. But, I have no doubt now that, it's easy and the future's easy. And I'm recovered and I'm back in the office. It's fabulous. We're sort of re-looking at our vision, and we'll probably revisit, where we're going to go again. But that's what they've done for me. I think it saved me in a time that I needed it.